What if I told you that a simple screen recording can go viral, even getting noticed by Elon Musk? That's exactly what happened when a Grok tutorial made with FocuSee blew up on Twitter. Now, I'll show you how you can create a professional, eye-catching demo video in just minutes using the same powerful tool, FocuSee. FocuSee is a smart screen recorder for effortless, high-quality content creation. With auto-zoom, cursor tracking, and clean backgrounds, it simplifies recording, no editing needed. Perfect for tutorials, demos, and presentations. If you're an AI creator wanting clearer, faster tutorials, FocuSee is the tool for you. Today, I'll show you how to use it for your AI guides. First, download FocuSee via the link in the description. Step 1. Start recording with FocuSee. Then open it and hit record. No need to adjust settings. FocuSee automatically detects the active window and focuses on key areas. Want to highlight a feature? Just move your cursor naturally. FocuSee's smart cursor tracking follows every move smoothly. Step 2. Auto-zoom for emphasis. See how it zooms in without manual editing? This auto-zoom effect keeps your audience engaged without distractions. You can edit the zoom length, adjust the scale, and freely add or remove sections. Step 3. Clean and professional look. Messy background? No problem. FocuSee removes unnecessary elements, making your tutorial look clean and professional, without extra editing. Step 4. Instant annotations and highlights. Need to emphasize a key feature? Just click to highlight or add quick annotations. No editing software required. Final step, one-click export and share. Done recording? Just export your video in one click and share it anywhere, YouTube, social media, or directly with your audience. That's it. With FocuSee, you can create viral-worthy AI tutorials effortlessly. No complex editing, no wasted time, just smooth, engaging content in minutes. Try it now and level up your video creation game.